Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this Freedom Express we have here by Coachmen. The company's been around for 53 years, a little bit longer than Guaranty has been, so it's a great company. We absolutely have a great relationship with them. This is one of their products that's going to be a little bit higher line of an ultralight product, and that's the Freedom Express by Coachmen. You're going to have a model here which is a 279 RLDS. It's going to have a unique feature inside, and that's going to be the bathroom. It's going to have a large shower in there and nice roomy area for those that need a little more space inside that area. We'll start off by showing you that, and we'll finish on the outside. Most of the time you spend inside of your waking hours are going to be in your kitchen and living area, and this is a great entertaining area here. You've got a relatively small box overall, but it's got a lot of sitting area with this freestanding table that you can move around and negotiate how you want that laid out. You've got all this sitting area here. You've got nice windows in the slide out and nice big windows in the back. And you've got also another hide-a-bed that comes into a bed here with lots of space to set things on both sides and lots of storage overhead. And then you're going to have, again, lots of light coming from there and other areas. If somebody says, well, you know, I don't have much cook area in the kitchen, you do have great cook area here, plus you have this area that's not far from that. And so you get a lot of area to put stuff in. Your refrigerator here is going to be an 8 cubic foot, should be nice size. Your TV that can come out and be moved a little bit if necessary as well gives you a really large viewing area, so you're fairly close to that. And you've got an electrically heated fireplace there as well too. It looks really pretty and nice. It adds a lot of nice ambiance at night. You're going to have cabinetry overhead, which is nice. It's also a lighter color, which makes it quite nice and elegant. I like the way the details are in the cabinets that Coachmen does a great job with that. Look at all this surface area here, plus Coachmen offers a little more surface area by allowing this cutting surface here for food grade, and you can have that over the 3-burner stove there. And of course your oven area there has more like a wood look flooring. You have vinyl down below. You've got a large area here for the sink, and that's one big single tub area there, which is nice for doing stuff with as well. As we go back, the big deal I have was what I mentioned to you is look at all this room in the shower bathroom area. Isn't that nice? You got all those glass doors, and you got the skylight, another vent inside, a huge shower area there, and a place maybe to sit down or to use for when you're showering and cleaning up and drying off your body and stuff. So really nice design. They also have here little windows that add more lighting to it, so when you're camping out there and doing any private camping, it's nice to have natural light, not have to always be burning up your lights, even though your LED lights are incredibly efficient now. In the bedroom area, a large full-size queen bed, which is kind of nice to the Coachmen product here on the Freedom Express. You got more storage there. And then you're going to have the shirt closet storage on both sides of the bed here, and a vent in the bedroom. You know, a lot of companies just don't put vents in the bedroom area, and I like that personally. I think you'll find this really enjoyable. Place for a TV backer if you do want to have a television in the bedroom, in the master bedroom as well. And there'll be storage underneath this bed if we were to lift that up. So we'll have that as well. So again, on the outside, I'll show you some pretty nice features and everything they're going to have with that Coachmen product. The steps that we're coming down on have a nice aluminum tread to them, so should be great for durability and for keeping nice steps down the road for a long time. You're also going to have outside speakers, and you're going to have these frameless windows, which are nice for low maintenance. While we're right here, let me show you real quickly that you do have this outside, pretty much center of the awning. You're going to have this area, which is a slide, or a little more storage area, I should say, down below, which is just another little area they don't waste some space with. It's got custom wheels, and the wheels on here are spread further apart this way, adding a little bit, taking away some tongue load on that front hitch up there, which makes it really nice for towing and all that too. Good balance to it. You have a ladder on the back here, which is nice. And this area is going to have a city water connection, your cable hookups, your power, and then your hot and cold water for outside shower use. It does have a black tank flush, which you'll see right here, so you can help to, when you're dumping that black tank, it's nice to have. Let's go look on the other side here. You'll see it's got storage all the way through. Also, it's got a nice feature of being able to control, here's your power buttons that you can control for all 4 of your jacks on your coach. It's nice. And then your power for this tongue jack too as well. Double 5-gallon tanks, spare tires down below. You got room for 2 batteries there. This cap on the front is 1-piece molded cap that runs from the base all the way up through the top there, which is a real nice feature to have for strength and rigidity. Also, they're going to have a little hookup here. If you do want to be out there dry camping, you can bring your own solar panel, put it out there and plug it in, and that will run charge line right to the batteries that you'll have here. It'll come with a couple nice deep cycle marine batteries that we'll put on that coach for you. If you look through here, you can see it's got a nice open storage. And in there too, if you look above, there's actually a table that stores there for outside use, which is also really nice to have. And then they do have a an outside Coleman cook stove. It's another feature that's nice to have. Big thick doors, and then the magnets to it make it nice and out of the way. It's really a good opportunity if you guys are thinking about camping, you guys are thinking about having a good time in this beautiful country of ours. I would love you guys to come out, visit our website like you're doing, spend some time if you get an opportunity to come out and visit us here at Guaranty. I've been here 28 years, I love what I do. Company's been around for 52 years, and again, Coachmen's been around for about 53. So if there's any questions you have for the products we have here or anything else down the road, of course, call me at that number you see at the end, and I'll love to have a conversation with you. And remember, here in Junction City, Oregon, it's a RV show every day.